Hi, this is Deepika Padukone.
And I'm Ranveer Singh.
Keep watching
Bollywood Hungam.
Well, the interview that you guys have been waiting for, Deepika Padukone and Ranveer Singh on Talking Films on Bollywood Hungama. A huge pleasure to have you guys on Bollywood Hungama first of all. And I think the promo of Bajirao Mastani is something that very rarely that people have seen in recent times. We will come to that later.
Okay.
We'll come to that.
As long as we're going to come to it.
Okay.
He has to sing.
Okay.
इस बार तो मैं मानूंगा ही नहीं.
We'll come to that. We'll come to that. Okay, so promo, I think the way the sort of response it has got is, I think, simple.
provided you sing eye to eye.
Yeah, that.
Whose side are you on, Deepika?
His.
देखो कितना खुश हो गया.
No, see, eye to eye the deal hai. That is the deal. But I think let's stick to Bajirao Mastani.
Okay. We'll
That
stick to
is,
Bajirao Mastani.
Yeah, I think it seems too precious a project in terms of the amount of effort.
I think we
that
should
has
talk
gone
about
into it.
Bajirao Mastani upar se because I can't wait for this
Yeah.
sing off
Sing off.
between the two of you.
I'm sure that Sanjay Leela won't be happy with this conversation. So he said that he's worked 18 hours a day for 2 years. He's not gone to restaurants, any film halls. He's just worked on this movie.
Yeah.
Did you meet him?
I've
No,
met
he-
him, yeah.
Okay.
I met him on the set. In fact, you guys were, I think,
Doing Diwani Mastani perhaps?
Yes, at the
Yeah.
Sheesh Mahal, I went over there. We had a long conversation that I would love to divulge, but he's taken it forth that he should. He's a very interesting guy. Okay, so can we come down to Bajirao Mastani now, finally?
We must.
He's more exciting off record than on
He
record.
is
Yeah.
very interesting.
No?
Lots of gossip, lots
Yeah.
of
He's very
free-flowing
entertaining.
conversation.
Yeah,
and
he's
interesting.
very entertaining.
And I told him that can I record it? He was like
Like,
that
no.
you cannot.
That's some interesting stuff that he must have said.
Okay, so Bajirao Mastani, the theatrical trailer response has been superb. Were you guys expecting this sort of unanimous response? Because these days at times the response can be slightly here and there, but this one has got like almost 100% response for sure.
I would be lying if I said no,
Okay.
that we didn't expect this response. But having said that, I think it's surpassed even what we thought we would get for it. Yes, we knew that somewhere, people would talk about the scale and they would talk about, wow, like this magnum opus. But I think it's tenfold. I think it's much, much more than what we had expected.
Right.
Much, much more.
Yeah, physically the sort of effort that I think both of you, even I
It
think
was,
Priyanka is
sorry,
doing
it was
very well.
almost like the film had already released.
Kind of response that came.
Yeah, and it happened twice. It actually happened because we're following the international format. So we actually had a teaser that released in July.
Right.
Phenomenal response.
And then we had the trailer which launched very recently. And both the times, the kind of response that we got to the trailer or in fact to any material that we had put out was almost like the film had released and people had already watched the film.
I think, honestly, I didn't have a clue how people would respond because I was not really seeing any ready material that was going to be released before the time that it was released. For instance, at the trailer launch, it was the first time the both of us actually saw it on the big screen. So we're pretty much experiencing it with the other people. What I can tell you is, yes, it's a phenomenal, unprecedented, staggering response. The way the phone reacts after something comes out is just boom, 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 boom. Whether it's, whether it's feedback that you get in person, on social media, or via SMS or WhatsApp, it's just an avalanche of positive responses, which is so heartening because truthfully, I mean, we've all put a lot into the film. So finally, when the promo material comes out and this type of response comes, I think it's one of those rare instances in my short career that, the teaser, then the song, then the other song, then the trailer, then another song, each promo material has gone and done its own bit to contribute towards the buzz of the film, and people are very excited to see it, which is very heartening for us. I'll never forget that moment when we were sitting with the press at the trailer launch, watching it, sitting next to each other, and we were as blown away because we were also seeing it for the first time with the background music and the VFX. It was a great background score also, the teaser and the trailer has, which I love. Jing 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 jing.
Yeah, we know.
Okay, so
See how
No. This is not. You can't get away with this.
I'm just drawing him in. I'm drawing
That's
him
fine,
in.
but don't think that you've done this now so you can get away with it.
eye to eye is like.
I'm reeling.
Okay, we'll become. You know what my personal feeling was. I'll tell you like a very honest apprehension that I had, because we've had a Bahubali in recent times, and the sort of scale that Mr. Rajamouli has taken in terms of, you know, the way the war sequences have been showcased and choreographed, and the entire VFX. I think it has taken to almost another level altogether.
I agree.
Which I think we've never seen in Hindi films. I had that apprehension that can you guys, because there will be that thing that Bahubali and all that stuff, but when I personally saw the theatrical trailer, I felt that is something that you guys have surpassed somewhere. The war sequences, the way the horses are moving around, the color of the entire granular color, the way it is. That is something I think that must have been like a huge task in a way as well. So did you have that consciously? Did Mr. Bhansali tell you that we have this maybe challenge in a way of a Bahubali as well? So we have to surpass that at any point of time?
No, not in
terms of edit
context
or
of
wherever.
any other film ever. He's very clear about what he's making.
Ji.
It's a film that he's lived with for 12-15 years. And you can see that in every little detail, because shooting was pretty much seamless. He knew exactly where the characters are headed. He knew exactly what we're doing. He knew the arc. He knew everything. And of course, we knew we had a huge film on hand in terms of performance, in terms of scale, in terms of everything. But never in context to, oh, we have to be this because of X, Y, and Z. Never. The only thing that we are trying to compete here with is our own expectation, or rather his expectation of the vision that he has for Bajirao Mastani.
In other words, it's not a challenge is not to outdo any other film, whether it's Bahubali or any other film in this genre that's been made, or any other film in general. I think the challenge is look at the scope of our story, of our characters, look at the canvas that we can mount this on. The challenge is, are we justifying that scope? The potential is all there in the story that we're telling, whether it's the wars or the songs or the emotions. There's so much one can do with this material. Are we living up to that? Are we doing our best? I watched Bahubali and loved it. Mr. Rajamouli is one of my favorite filmmakers. I found it thoroughly entertaining, but the entertainment value in Bahubali is very, very different from what you would find in Bajirao Mastani. That's a very, very action-driven film, a VFX-led action-driven film. Bajirao Mastani is essentially an emotional drama. You know, all the scale, all the mounting, all the action, and everything that you want in a mainstream commercial big screen experience is there. But at its core, it's a story about human beings, about human relationships, about their interpersonal relationships, about the relationship dynamics, and that is true for every Sanjay Leela Bhansali film. You know, his scale is extraordinary, almost always. The way he shoots his films, the way he designs his frames and mounts his canvas. But at the core lies human emotion, which is great from an actor's point of view, you know.
You spoke about the entire scale and the drama bit. Bajirao and Mastani, they are actual historical real characters somewhere, and all these opposition has been coming in from the families of Peshwa Bajirao and Mastani Bhai Sahab. Recently they had a press conference as well, and they have like multiple objections in terms of Pinga, the way that Kashi Bhai and Mastani, they never came together. I think they met only once, and a lot of other things, that how can they be shown in terms of the romantic element. He was after Shivaji, he's one of the greatest Maratha warriors. So how do you guys just tackle these sort of this sort of opposition that is coming almost right at the release time, and apparently those guys were invited on the sets in August and they were pretty happy with the entire thing at that point of time. So how do you guys look at this entire thing that has come about recently?
I don't know. I think we still have to do what we have to do, and you never make movies to intentionally irk anyone or to hurt people's sentiments. The only thing that we're trying to do is educate the audience about Bajirao and Mastani, and in fact the love story that we're portraying, or what Sanjay Leela Bhansali's vision is a very, very small chapter in the larger scheme of things.
Apparently it's based on a book
Yeah.
movies based
yeah.
on the book.
But the love story or the angle that we have picked up is one angle, is one aspect of his entire life. And I'm sure there's a lot more to his life than just this. But this is the path and the theme and the story that we have chosen to tell. That, and I think the fact that yes, with every film we do take certain creative liberties. I may not be the right person to comment on what those liberties are. I think the writer and the director are probably the right person to address your question. But the intention to make a film is always to educate the audience about epic characters and legendary characters like Bajirao and Mastani, and also through that be able to entertain the audience. That's one aspect of it, and also I think that sometimes we need to allow a film to release first, and then maybe sort of have objections towards maybe something that has been portrayed, instead of reacting even before you've seen the entire final product.
Do you somewhere feel that maybe the cinema and movie stars, they tend to be like soft targets because
I coined a
just
new word
stopping.
today.
Yeah.
Fictional.
Histro-fictional.
Okay.
The
Apparently,
film,
there will
it's
be a disclaimer
histro-fictional.
as well. That
There will
this is
be.
based
There will
on
be a
one
disclaimer.
fictitious,
Look, man, it's not a propaganda film. It's mainstream entertainment. Mr. Bhansali is being very upfront and saying it's a work of fiction. It is inspired by this particular book, Peshwa Gharanyacha Itihas. And it's his interpretation of that book that he's telling the story of. Which is why at the top of the film he will include that slate. Like she said, it's never our intention to hurt sentiments. It's simply what our hearts are completely clean, right? We're trying to do our best to make a piece of cinema that has a lasting memory. We're trying to give wide mass audience a memorable big screen experience that they'll hopefully keep in their hearts for years and years. That is our intention. So along the way, to put a spanner in the works and stuff like that, it happens way too often nowadays.
Because it's like 10 days for release.
Yeah.
They could have asked for the script maybe a long time back, and they could have, and apparently they came on the sets in August, and I think you guys have spoken about that as well. And
I
then
mean,
they didn't have
it was
any
a
problem
great
at the point of
interaction. We spoke about how great Peshwa Bajirao was, and we spoke about his life, and they were very happy. They came to our set. We had beautiful lunch that Mr. Bhansali had organized, took some pictures. It was a good time. So yeah, I mean, like Deepika said, honestly, our responsibility as actors is limited. We get material, it is our job to justify it and execute it to the best of our potential. Ultimately, it's not our place to comment on such things. All we can say is watch the film. And if there are any further questions or grouses, they'd be better addressed by the writer, director and producer.
Somewhere it also, I think, takes the legacy of Peshwa Bajirao to the world somewhere. I'm sure that many people wouldn't
Yes,
even be knowing about it.
I've studied in South India.
Yeah.
I've studied history, and Bajirao was never a chapter. So why, my issue is always, why do we always look at the negatives?
Exactly.
Why can't we look at the positives? Why can't we say that, okay, fine, 100% of it may not be true, but I'm sure 70-80% of it is true, and hopefully through this film we're educating today's youngsters about Bajirao and his all his achievements. Instead of sitting and saying, oh, but this was not portrayed correctly, that was not portrayed correctly, we're making people aware of who he was. And of course, like I said, we are making a film at the end of the day. Of course, we're going to take cinematic liberties when we make certain films.
Especially when it's mainstream entertainment. We're not making a
It should be
documentary. Yeah.
No one is coming to watch a documentary in the first place anyway. So let's lighten up things a bit.
We must.
We must play the game.
We have these segments
Please.
that Deepika likes a lot, and you played in the past as well. So we'll have the quiz first of all. That how
This time I'm
well,
going to win, Faridun.
How much I've looked forward to this interview.
So how well
We're not getting to the critical part yet, though, Mr. Farid.
We'll
That is the icing on the cake.
Oh, buddy.
Okay, so
make
this
bake
is
the
we
cake
call
first.
yes, this we call as how well do you know each other. You played in the past as well.
Amazing.
With Priyanka. Okay, he's already excited. So we like that sentence.
Come on.
Okay, so we'll start with ladies first.
Always.
With Deepika Padukone. Ranveer Singh did his college studies in Mumbai from.
Mumbai style, college style. Say that again.
He did his college in Mumbai. Which college?
HR?
Yeah.
Yes.
Is this like a rapid fire? Does she get like
No, there's
all the
not
time in the
rapid
world?
fire. There's not
Acha, rapid fire is later. Okay,
Yeah.
great. Good job. Good job. 1 out of 1.
Lutera was partly inspired from a short story by O. Henry, which was called.
That has nothing to do with him, yeah.
Of course.
No, but
it's
he
one
was
of my
part
films.
of Lutera.
Yeah, you were part of Lutera. Oh, Henry, that leaf.
I'll give it to you. Derek O'Brien would give it to her, so we should give it to her.
The
last
leaf.
leaf.
The last leaf, correct.
Okay.
Look at me, I was like, the leaf.
Wo leaf.
Okay, before getting involved with Anushka and Ladies vs. Ricky Behel, name the actress conned by Ranveer in the film. Which of the actresses conned by Ranveer in Ladies vs. Ricky Behel?
I don't know the order, but there was Dipanita Sharma, Pariniti Chopra, Anushka was in it, and there was one more girl, is it?
Aditi.
Was there one more girl?
Yeah.
Aditi.
Aditi?
Aditi Sharma.
Oh. I know there was one more girl, I don't know her name.
Derek O'Brien would give it to her, so I'll give it to her.
Okay, as of now, it's like 3 out of 3. Courtesy.
Derek O'Brien.
What do you mean courtesy? I said it, yeah. I know there
Ranveer
were
would have
three
said
girls.
कि half काट You were
I used to watch it every Sunday. Today is a Sunday. Every
Okay.
Sunday I used to be
Ji.
glued to the
Ji,
screen.
bilkul,
The
bilkul.
Born Vita Quiz Contest. Ding, 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 diggy, diggy, ding, ding.
What was the full name of Kabir's dog in Dil Dhadakne Do? What was the full name of the dog?
Oh God, I don't know this. I know his name in real life.
Okay.
Hemish.
Wow. Does she get double points for not just knowing?
I know his real
Well,
life
well,
name. Not
no.
only do I know his screen name, I know his real
Screen name,
name.
I think it's very simple. If you know the planets of the world. So
Pluto.
Pluto
क्या
मेरा.
बात है क्या बात है
So as of now, it's 4 out of 4.
मैं डेरिक आप
I'm
O'Brien.
sorry. 4 out of 4, but the fact that I know his real life name, I get double points.
Bonus.
That is something that is going to.
Bonus.
Come on.
यहाँ
So
पर
6 on
वो
4.
asked for full name, तो आप Pluto मेरा होना चाहिए था.
Obviously
We'll
मेरा
settle
ना.
for 4 out of 4 as of now. What was the name of the characters played by Ranveer and Arjun in Gunde?
Bala and he was Bala.
Yeah.
Bikram. Bikram and
Out of
Bala.
5. So Ranveer Singh.
The heat is on.
You got a tough. It's like you can just
Well done, buddy. Really well done.
try with her. That's the best that you can match. Let's start with you. Name the film of Deepika Padukone that had the song Adhure Tum.
Adhure Tum.
Yeah.
Now, if this, if this was the Born Vita Quiz Contest, they'd play the audio clip. But since we don't have it, you'll have to sing it for me.
She can say it.
I can't sing. You're the singer.
I don't remember the
You're
He's
the
the
quiz
singer.
master. Yeah, and
He's
he's
the
the quiz
singer.
master.
And the
don't
quiz
know.
master.
I don't remember the exact. I'll give you another question.
Just, you know what I
No,
love
no,
about
I can give you another question.
no. Why? Just because you don't want to say you guys.
No, but I don't remember the exact-
No, Faridun, you know.
Then you can't ask the question, Mr. O'Brien.
Exactly.
Mr. O'Brien.
I'll take another question.
No.
You are right.
No. Just
I'll
because.
take-
No. You have to hum. Okay, hum it at least.
I don't remember the exact.
चल तू कर ले.
Yeah.
दिन तुम्हारे.
Break के बाद.
Okay, 1 out of 1.
I'm the man.
Deepika played a character called Sandy in 2 films. Name those 2 films.
Sandy.
Yeah.
Sandy.
Yeah.
Oh. Wait. Deepika's filmography is definitely, was she Sandy was in the second half of that? Meena Lochini. Sandy.
You can't take all the time in the world.
Sandy.
Tick tick 1.
Wait, yeah.
Tick tick 2.
Wait, yeah.
Tick tick 3.
Wait, Sandy.
Tick 4.
Sandy.
Tick tick 5.
Sandy.
Tick tick 6.
Sandy.
Take a wild
Tick tick
guess.
7. 8.
Break के बाद.
9.
No.
Wrong.
Hey, Alia, she was Alia and break के बाद. I was just saying. I'm just working it out.
Okay, but your time is up. Your.
Who says who?
See, अरे यार.
You are not Derek O'Brien. He's Derek O'Brien. Sandy. Maybe in the second half of Om Shanti Om.
Okay, we'll give that.
She was Sandy, right?
Okay, second one.
And then. Okay. Sandy. Bachna hai Sino?
No.
Akshay Kumar.
Chandni Chowk
His time is up.
No.
Hey, now it's
Houseful.
Yeah, but now you're
Houseful.
We'll have to give it half.
But half. How can
We'll
you
have
not?
to give half. 1.5 out of 2 so far. What
Yeah.
was the full name of Piku's father?
Bhaskor
Full name.
Bhattacharya. Banerjee.
Bharko Banerjee. Okay, 2.5 out of 3. In which city was Deepika born?
Copenhagen.
Okay.
It's up north.
This is his bun in my oven, said Deepika in the film ... This is his bun in my oven.
You said that. This is his bun in my oven.
It's like a very major hit film actually.
In my oven. What?
Dude, there has to be a timer for this. Come on.
This is his bun in my oven. Deepika! Stop, you're distracting me.
Saif Ali Khan.
It's his bun in my oven. Lavajkal.
Wrong.
Sorry, cocktail.
Yeah. Half.
4 out of.
Damn it.
So I have one clearly.
He has one clearly,
Clearly.
and that's like
Thanks.
quite a.
This is not okay. We gave her the dog wala and the leaf wala.
But you
okay?
gave it now. You insisted.
एक तो मैं नाइसनेस में तुझे दे रहा हूँ, तू competitive हो गई इसमें.
I told you in the beginning I'm very competitive.
So that was, but as of
I'm
I didn't leave her.
truly ashamed of myself. Leave
मैंने आपसे शुरू
Copenhagen.
में बोला था. मैंने आपसे शुरू में ही बोला था. Okay, but I think as of now, technically now she's the winner. So let's congratulate her. That was.
I didn't give
fabulous.
any wrong
She's
answers.
a-
You've given wrong
she's an
answers.
No,
absolute
no,
I
I'm
took time.
pro.
I'm working it out.
Okay, let's take up because we have a lot of fan questions. So let's start with the rapid fire quickly, and then we'll come to the fan questions. We'll start with ladies first once again. Okay, rapid fire with Deepika Padukone. What is it that you have that the following people don't? Ranveer Singh.
A mustache?
Okay, Ranveer Kapoor.
His
You don't have a mustache.
yeah.
What do you have that others don't?
Oh, what do I have?
Yeah, what is it that you have that the following people don't have?
Oh, what do I? Sorry, I completely misunderstood. What do I have that Ranveer doesn't have?
हाँ, बोल दे. तुम्हारे पास क्या है? मेरे
पास बाल है.
Lambe baal.
लंबे बाल.
Ah, okay. And Ranveer Kapoor.
Phew. I'm more flexible than him.
Priyanka Chopra.
Oh, again, what I have that she doesn't have.
Yeah.
Why can't it be the other way around?
Okay, that is the format that as of now we are having.
What do I have that she doesn't have? I don't know. Maybe I've worked with Sanjay sir twice.
Okay, we'll get that. 3 things about Ranveer no one knows.
Three
Three
things
is a
about
lot.
Ranveer.
No one knows.
Nobody knows. That he cries very easily. That he's addicted to sweet and chocolate.
Okay, that doesn't show.
Huh?
That doesn't show.
That doesn't show.
Thankfully.
And he loves sleeping.
You know, we are so grateful that he's wearing such
Subdued clothes today.
subdued colors today.
Everyone is commenting on this, man. You got to fix this.
They're stereotyping me, I'm telling you.
Okay, harshest criticism.
But are you happy with the 3 or you want to know more?
I think they're pretty okay.
They're decent 3.
Okay.
Yeah?
Harshest criticism you have ever received.
Harshest criticism.
Yeah.
Harshest.
Man, that I can't act.
Okay.
How sad.
All right. If an autobiography is written about you, what would it be called?
Live, love and laugh.
Wow.
Fantastic.
ये
Okay,
भी
so
जीत जाएगी.
I think
Shit,
Deepika
यार.
Padukone has done extremely well. So, Ranveer
Beta,
Singh,
you have
now
done very
you have
well.
to-
We are very proud of you.
Thank you.
We'll just quickly do this. If you can steal one thing from the following people, not necessarily materialistic, what would you steal? Sanjay Leela Bhansali.
Oh,
The creative part of his brain.
Okay. Deepika Padukone.
her honesty in performance and her big, expressive eyes that are a window to her transparent soul.
Okay. Shah Rukh Khan.
I don't want to steal anything from him.
All right.
His ability to charm.
His ability to charm, his...
Sorry, I shouldn't answer for you. I'm sorry.
What would I want to steal from Shah Rukh sir? Maybe his marketing acumen, his business acumen.
Great. Anushka Sharma.
Anushka Sharma, what would I like to steal from her? What would I like
Little doggy.
Why would I steal little doggy? Anushka, what should I steal from Anushka? This is an interesting one. Maybe her Porsche.
Okay. All right. If Deepika and Priyanka ask you out for a date and you can choose only one, who
I'm
would
sorry,
you-
what?
If Deepika and Priyanka ask you out for a date and you can choose only one, who would you choose?
If they ask me for a date and I could choose only one,
Yes.
one date,
Right.
Deepika.
All right. A historical character.
I'm sitting here, obviously, you have to
A
say that.
historical character other than Peshwa Bajirao that you always wanted to play since the time you desired to be an actor.
Wow, this is a good one, huh?
What's that? Other than Peshwa, what?
Yeah.
Okay.
Alexander.
Wow.
It can't be the same type.
Okay, fair enough.
I think Alexander must be different from Bajirao.
No, but like,
in terms
I
of
mean
the
like not a
appearance.
warrior.
Okay.
Just because you said not this warrior, it can't be some other warrior.
Okay, we'll settle for Alexander.
Oh, okay,
We'll
okay.
settle for Alexander. What would be your first reaction? I think this is a really cool question. What would be your first reaction if you reach a remote location to shoot and your staff informs you that they have forgotten to get your stock of mint, perfume, sanitizer?
Oh
deodorant,
my
etc.?
god. He would swim back.
Catastrophe!
Yeah. He would
Disaster!
Yeah. He would
I,
swim to the closest pharmacy to buy all of it again.
I don't know what I'd do.
But it's a
man.
remote location actually.
I don't know what I'd do.
Right.
I'd go crazy. I'd be kooks. With my OCD would go through the roof. No sanitizer.
Fantastic. I think he has done reasonably well. Deepika
Reasonably
Padukone. Yeah. So
Reasonably
you'll have to
well.
settle for a tie.
That's okay. I'm okay with ties.
At least I
Okay,
tried.
we'll quickly take a few
But
But that's
questions.
what
Thank
makes
God.
me
Too
the
many of
winner.
them.
You understand that?
Ji?
Because a tie plus 5 on 5 and a 4 on 5, that still makes me the winner.
But Dips, I gave it to you.
Absolutely.
You didn't
Okay.
get the full thing.
Okay.
He gave you planet. I gave you last leaf.
Okay. Okay.
Technically, we're still like tied.
All right. Let's take a few questions. Actually, there are many of them, but let's take a few of them and we can just quick, short answer. That'll be great because there are too many of them.
These are fan questions.
Ji.
Okay.
This is Hami from Singapore for Ranveer.
Of course. Hi, Ami.
Okay. Is he dating anyone or is there a chance for me?
Oh.
I'll talk to you about this directly.
This is Binod. Bajirao Mastani is going to become Deepika Padukone's best film in her career till now. Do you agree? Do you agree with that? Is it the best film that you've
I
done?
think
so
he should
far?
answer that. I don't
I think,
I-
dude, I really could not tell you because I mean, okay, Cocktail and then Ye Jawani Chennai, Ramleela, Piku, Tamasha in the same year. These are very, very hard acts to top. So it's, I haven't seen the film yet, so I can't tell you, but I'm hoping that it will be. It has the potential, and that's for you and me both to find out.
Okay, since you have already answered for her.
Okay.
So I'll take one more question for you.
Okay.
Okay. This is Paulina from Bulgaria.
Okay.
And which is your favorite song from Bajirao Mastani?
My favorite song is तुझे याद कर लिया है आयत की तरह.
Wow.
ऐसे नहीं बेटा, ऐसे थोड़ी ना.
I'm sure you've heard this song. Isn't
I
the
haven't.
album out?
I haven't actually.
You
I
should.
I will.
One of
I
your
know you're
favorite
gonna
singers.
love this song.
One of your favorite singers, Mr. Arijit Singh, has sung it.
Yeah. I know you're going to love the song. It's your type of song.
Can you hum it for us?
You will. Will you do a cover of it?
I'll try and do it.
कैमरा पे कमिटमेंट कर दी तो फिर
I'll try.
फरीदून अपने आप की भी नहीं सुनता.
Let me hear it.
I can't sing.
Dips, come on, yeah.
I'm just, no, I can't.
So this is the one thing nobody knows about Deepika, that she is a beautiful, a staggeringly beautiful voice, like a
Hopefully-
nightingale.
hopefully she'll do a dub smash.
I hope she dub smash, so that is not going to be her voice. Hopefully she'll cut an entire album. I don't know. Every time there's a new frontier that she's
Right,
going
no.
to conquer,
I'm sorry,
right?
I have
so
no
it's
intentions
acting,
of
and then now
singing.
she's going to do all these big action franchises, and then she's going to conquer the globe. But then
Hollywood
I'm
she's
hoping
going, yeah.
that she will also explore her creativity
जी, बिल्कुल.
as a singer.
Okay,
Because
so-
she truly sings very beautifully. She went to Mr. Rahman's studio in Chennai, and she hung out with him, and they actually recorded some of her singing,
Yes,
and
yes, yes.
it.
Imtiaz told us about that.
Yeah, she's a beautiful singer. That's something you don't know.
Okay,
so
sir.
Now
Sir.
every one of her millions of fans
He's not interested. This is all
should-
going to be cut out.
No, 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 no,
Pester
nothing is
her.
going to be cut out.
should pester her to get into singing.
बिल्कुल fantastic. Okay.
I will never do that.
तो अभी गाओ इसी बात पर.
No.
she's
Okay, next.
aching to sing.
तुझे याद कर लिया है आयत की तरह.
Okay, fantastic.
I'm the best.
Karishma
I'm the
from
best singer
Canada.
over here.
Karishma from Canada. Who do you think you have a better chemistry with, Deepika or Priyanka?
Deepika.
I think but Priyanka is looking very good as well.
She must
She
be
is
looking good.
terrific.
We do have amazing chemistry, which is why people cast us in films over and over again.
Right.
After Gunde, then Dil Dhadakne Do, we can play brother, sister, lover, husband, wife. We have a great working equation. It's pretty amazing that we can fulfill, these characters opposite each other in like almost the same year.
Absolutely.
And hats off to her versatility. I think I have a great working equation with her. One of my favorite co-actors. She's just so, she's on it like a bonnet. but yeah, this.
I get it.
Thank you.
This is Hajer from Tunisia for Deepika.
Tunisia?
Yeah, I love Tunisia.
Yeah,
So
apparently this girl or boy has sent around 80 questions, so I had to take one.
Wow, buddy.
Describe your feelings about making your debut in Hollywood with Vin Diesel.
That's not a legitimate question.
See?
No, I'm kidding.
But you posted a picture with Vin Diesel with the
Have I?
XXX
Ah,
in the backdrop.
Really?
You don't know?
Me?
What?
Was that me?
It wasn't me.
वो मैं था मैं.
Was that me?
Instagram as well, apparently.
Really?
You posted, yeah. So when are you starting? shooting?
याददाश्त no?
मैं कहाँ हूँ?
But you're doing that.
तुम्हारी गाड़ी में डीजल लगता है पेट्रोल?
You'll know soon.
You'll know soon. Okay.
It should.
This is Rashmi from India. City has been given.
Don't rush
Who would you rather love? Who would you rather love? Deepika or Mastani? That's a good question.
Deepika.
Who would
Why?
you rather love?
What?
Let's put it this way. I'm trying to articulate it correctly. What I know of Mastani, all of Mastani comes from Deepika. But Deepika is, what I know of Deepika is a lot more than what I see in her portrayal of Mastani. I hope that answers your very, very deep question.
In fact, a friend of mine, in fact, he told me that the way she's looking in Diwani Mastani, he was like that, I have not seen a more beautiful looking woman in my life.
कहाँ मिलेगा आपका ये मित्र?
मैं आप मेरे ऑफिस नहीं आते हैं आप मेरे, मैं आपका
अच्छा,
ऑफिस
कहाँ है आपका ऑफिस?
अच्छा मतलब आपको कोई मारेगा नहीं?
अभी अभी नहीं, मैंने तो नहीं कहा, मैं तो उसको प्यार जप्पी पप्पी
मैं
देने जा
समझ
रहा हूँ.
हाँ,
हाँ,
but
मैं तो आरती उतारने जा रहा हूँ. मैं कहाँ मारूंगा? मैं तो हार्मलेस इंसान ही हूँ. हाँ, मैं तो प्यार मोहब्बत ही बांटता हूँ. ये मेरा प्यार, ये मेरी मोहब्बत.
समझ रहा हूँ. But will you accept that? I think she's looked really pretty in that particular.
जन्नत की नूर लग रही है.
Ethereal looking in that.
जन्नत की नूर लग रही है फरीदुन
जन्नत की
साहब.
नूर लग रही है.
मतलब मेरे जो एक्सप्रेशंस आपने देखा ना रिवर्स एंगल पे,
Right.
टिंग 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 टिंग. बच्चन साहब loves my reactions in that song, by the way.
बिल्कुल.
हाँ.
Senem from Germany. What are you going to miss the most about Bajirao Mastani? That's a good question actually.
Working with Sanjay sir.
Working with Sanjay sir. All right. This is D. Kiran from London.
Hi, Dee.
If Ranveer had to write a book on the following, what will it be called? If you have to write a book on the following, what will it be called?
On the following.
Ji.
Sure.
Deepika Padukone.
Live, love, laugh.
वो तो she
you
also
can't copy.
said that.
What I can't copy.
You can't copy. The original.
Okay. The life of a champion.
Ooh.
Priyanka Chopra.
Superwoman.
Sanjay Leela Bhansali.
A Beautiful Mind.
That's a good one. That's a good one. Arjun Kapoor. Big laughter.
Baba the Great. Oh, mere Baba the Great.
The misadventures of a lovelorn lover boy.
Okay, Yasmin from Malaysia. What is the most challenging part for your role as Mastani?
What is the most challenging part? I think the physical scenes, like
Yeah.
the war, the horse riding, the sword fighting. I think as a woman, we're not naturally born to probably be able to lift that kind of weight, I think.
Ji, ji.
So physically, I think the physical part for me was more difficult than the emotional
Ji,
bits.
bilkul. Jasmine Fakri from Tunisia. Tell us 3 reasons to watch Bajirao Mastani.
Hi, Jasmine.
You know, he has only female fans.
Of course, obviously.
Why, obviously.
I don't know. Only, it's not only. He has more
Exactly.
female fans than male
But
fans.
99% are girls. I can assure you
Yeah.
that.
Not complaining.
Okay, 3 reasons to watch. Yeah, 3 reasons to watch Bajirao Mastani.
तीखी नजर से ऐसे देखोगी ना जल जाऊंगा. I'm sorry, I missed your question.
3 reasons to watch Bajirao Mastani.
Deepika Padukone, Sanjay Leela Bhansali, and Priyanka Chopra.
He's being very modest.
I think you're looking very good, man.
अब आपका गाना हो जाए.
अब आपका पहले.
अब आपका
Eye to eye
हो जाए.
पहले.
आप सर.
पहले eye.
सर पहले आप. पहले आप.
Okay, I'll just sing a couple of lines. Okay, in fact, I had written a song for my wife's birthday recently.
Okay.
Okay, so I'll sing that for you.
Done.
Like an exclusive thing.
Done.
Oh, it's exclusive. Wow.
Yeah. Okay, it's like this. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
चाय के 2 कप सुबह हो गई व्हाट्सअप. चाय के 2 कप सुबह हो गई व्हाट्सअप. स्माइल में कोई राज है, वाह क्या यूनिक अंदाज है. स्माइल में कोई राज है, वाह क्या यूनिक अंदाज है. हाँ नाज है वो नाज है. Your turn for eye to eye.
Fabulous.
Okay.
उनका
eye to
नाम
eye.
नाज है.
नहीं, आरफा.
अच्छा.
Yeah.
कमाल का है सर.
हाँ ना.
हाथ मिलाइए इसी
Thank you.
बात में.
Thank you.
Superb.
Okay, eye to eye.
दिल को लग गई ये बात.
Eye to eye.
करेगी मेरे साथ. आजा.
I'm that second person.
Yeah, you're the second guy. Huh? So we have mutual admiration. That vibe we have to give. Huh? Sensual, sensational eyes, my eyes and your eyes, eye to eye, eye to eye. Eye to eye makes happy killer love, lifetime, once in a life.
Fantastic. Thank you very much for being on Bollywood Hungama. Looking forward to Bajirao Mastani for sure, and we hope that it's a huge success. Thanks a lot.
वादा निभाया आपने.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very
Thank
much.
you.
That's all we have from Bollywood Hungama.
Keep watching.